I received this jewelry pliers set free to try, but I'm so excited to have all my tools together in one place. Let's take a look at them. You can transform the packaging into a storage box, which I thought was very clever. All the pliers are here and some extra tools to help you hold the jewelry. I liked that tip a lot here. And of course, the wire. And the cutter just cut just so great. I like them. They were easy to use, they fit my hand, and the material here feels so well. And they're absolutely adorable too.